My name is John Killian, and in this video I will show you how to make a Labview program randomly generate 10 numbers between 0 and 10, add them to an array, save it to the desktop as a spreadsheet, and find the average of the 10 numbers. I'm John Killian, and this is Labview number 2. So first you need some way to generate 10 random numbers, and to do that I randomly generated a number with the random number generator. Then I subtracted 0.04545545. Then I multiplied that by 10.999999. Then I converted that to a word integer, which just means there's only one decimal point. This only makes one random number, and we want to make 10, so I'm going to go to a for loop and put it in a for loop and make it iterate 10 times. And now that we have it iterate 10 times, I'm going to send out those 10 and create an indicator as an array. You also want to write it to a spreadsheet, and to do that you'll have to go to File, Input Output, Write to Spreadsheet. Then you'll connect the one data input part to there. Right click the top left file path, create a constant, and right click the constant and browse for path. This is where the spreadsheet will be saved to. For now, desktop is fine, just give it a name. That is where it'll be saved to. Next, somehow sum and find the average of the numbers in this array. And to do that, you go to numeric, add array elements, you link that there, and then this will be the sum. So I'm going to create an indicator just so you can see the sum. And then you want to divide the sum by how many elements there are, which was 10. So create constant 10, and this will output let's run it through and see if it's right. The average is 3.14, which seems reasonable enough, kind of low, so let's run through it a few more times. 5.2, that's good, and it looks like it's good. Thank you for watching, and that's Labview number 2, how to randomly select 10 numbers, put them in an array to write to your desktop, and then sum the numbers and find the average. I'm John Killian. Thank you for watching my video on Labview number 2. Hope you enjoy, and after the credits there will be a little video on why I subtracted the 0.045 and multiplied by 10.9. Thanks again. So while making that last video, it was really bugging me that the randomly generated numbers was between 0 and 1, and then if you multiply that by 10, it's between 0 and 10, yes. But the chances of getting 0 and 10 are actually less than your chances of getting any of the other numbers. If you're trying to get, say, 5 as a randomly generated number, it can go to 5.499999 and 4.5, and then you'll get a 5. But with a 10, oh, I forgot 0 on here. Anyways, with a 10, you can only get 10 if you get 9.5 or higher. It won't generate a 10.499999, and that was really bugging me. So I set up a little system of equations to figure out what I have to do to get between negative 0.49999 and 10.49999. And to do that, x is the number you subtract from the randomly generated number, and y is the number you multiply from that previous sum. When you solve these two system of equations, you'll get x to equal this, 0.045455, or 1/22, and y to be 10.99999. And you can't actually say 1/22 or 11, otherwise you have the chances of generating 11 or -1, so you have to keep it less than 11 and slightly less than 1/22. That was my short little trailer on why I decided to do those two very strange numbers in there.